Hello Sagittarius, welcome to Soul Vibrations, here to deliver soul vibrational messages. Today I'll be using tarot and I'll also be using pendulum to check your general energetic system called chakras, also known as auras or energy points in your body. With that said, I hope that this message resonates. A reminder that this is a general energy reading. I meditated and pre-shuffled your energy, primarily focusing on your mind, body, and spirit. I also called upon this blue moon. We're officially in Virgo season, so I wanted to bring a little bit of that energy into what it has to say to you, to us, to the fire within ourselves, to the Sagittarius sign. So with that said, I will shuffle a few more times just to see if energy wants to tell us anything else or wants to pop out. One more. Knight of Wands, the Sun, and 10 of Cups. Sagittarius, I'm picking up a lot of like energy in your reading. Definitely the Sun obviously clears it out. There is a youthful, very much energy here present, and not only through the Sun and through this little kid right here, but also through the Knight of Wands. He's energy. He's very courageous, very charming. He's in pursuit of whatever brings in more passion, more optimism, leadership, you know. And so him being here lets me know that there is courage within yourself, that there is this free spirit. There's also this like rebellious side that is like present for you, but spirit is saying it's good as long as you're looking at things that are positive, that you're looking at them not in a like combative way, but more in a creative, which I also feel like it's almost like you're like reinventing like your family, like your whatever you're trying to create in this particular time for you. The 10 speaks of completion. It's an end of a cycle. It's like a renewance. But because you're entering with such courageous, energetic, new few ideas, you're bringing in all this. I feel like where you're heading, all this particular Virgo season and this full moon is what it's bringing. It's bringing emotional stability, where it's gonna, whatever you're in pursuit of, it's gonna pay off. The Sun is here, it's protecting you. The Sun to me is also like our God, like our high, like our greatest self. And you're really looking at things from a new perspective, from a more like pure state. You're really looking into the light for whatever you're wanting to create, and you're tapping into your energy and you're going for it, which is beautiful, Sagittarius. It's a lot of, this is very much you. This is fire. Very cheerful, optimistic, fun, loving, honest, outspoken. You're traveling or you're wanting to travel. You're very enthusiastic. I'm not sure I said it right. Enthusiastic. Sorry. And whatever you're in pursuit of, I feel like it is coming from a good place. And ultimately, I think that you're in a good place in yourself. And I want to leave it as that. Like, I want you to know that Spirit is with you, basically saying we're here for you. Keep doing what you're doing. I see a lot of creativity. I see a lot of blue, a lot of yellow, which is energy. So that's beautiful to me. You are renewing your energy. You are coming to the end of a cycle. And again, like I said, but it's coming from a good place. You are in pursuit of good energy for you. Wands represent your inspiration, your spirituality, your ideas, your energy flow. And ultimately, I think that you're looking at the right place for it. So good for you, Sagittarius. I hope that this energy continues to push you forward and brings you definitely love and prosperity to your life. With that said, I'm going to now check your chakras. See where else you can give a little bit more light to, where you can shed more light for yourself, bringing balance. I'm wanting to check on your energetic system, see what it tells me. Okay. Is it all three? Base chakra, solar chakra, and crown chakra? Okay. Thank you, Spirit. Okay. So definitely it was here for a little bit, right? And then it moved on to these. And so crown chakra and base chakra, or also known as root chakra, has very much been out for like most of the collective, for like most all the signs here. So there's something energetically speaking to all of us about wanting to connect to our universe, to our spirituality, to our spiritual side, and then to our physical sides, which would be this. I'm going to start with you with the solar plexus. What is it saying? It is the color yellow. So these colors, please wear them, meditate on them, eat lots of fruits and vegetables that are purple, that are red, that are yellow. Okay, just to kind of bring in that balance. But definitely the solar plexus chakra speaks about self-esteem, confidence, responsibility, reliability, personal power, your vitality, your will, sense of humor, spontaneity, your shame. Give light to those things within yourself. Now your base, connection to earth, be more outside. Work with your plants, plant seeds, grounding, stability, balance, trust, physical health, nourishment, strength, family, roots, security, survival, prosperity. And your crown chakra, very much where you're crowned proudly, Sagittarius. Connection to the universe, spirituality, awareness, consciousness, wisdom, meaning, inner joy, peace, wholeness. I hope that this message resonates, that you continue to move forward with this beautiful energy, that you allow your freedom, your joy, your success, your confidence to be your truth, to be front and center for you. And I thank you for being here. Please like, subscribe, add me to your list, Sagittarius. I would greatly appreciate. Thank you for your time again, and I send you the best of vibes. Ciao.